my friend Ada. We've known each other for almost a lifetime.
Yep.
Went to high school together and everything.
There you go.
Girl, what the fuck?
Oh my god, Ada. Are you mad?
So that's basically the gist, and we're going to meet up with our other friends.
Tammy, Taiwo, and some other people.
So yeah, that's where we're headed now. I'll be back with you guys in a second.
Peace out. Guys, this hunger.
It's very real. It's real.
Oh my god.
No, thank God,
My lip.
thank God I've not had that close. I was just about to say.
It's alright.
Guys, this is a struggle. Such a struggle.
Eat some, guys. Because I'm very generous like that. So I like to share. Thank you for subscribing to my friend's channel.
You guys, just like my eyes, she's not well. So, just putting out there. Low key for 2020.
I know it's
A few moments later.
Hi guys. So, pick up this.
No.
Are you so excited when we're leaving this place, when we're leaving the house and we're all pumping and grinding? Well, all that is gone. The car we're in started overheating, something has gone bad in it, so it's just like, this is just a sign to not go, because actually such a distance, so going that distance with the car that's already had a little issue before leaving is like very risky, so it's cancelled. So we're just going to, since we already have makeup on, we don't want it to waste, so we're just going to have lunch or something. So we're trying to get an Uber. We're going to be the car.
That guy hooking up with the house.
Okay, we'll find our way.
Are you serious?
So I'll update you guys. This is the current situation, and
Okay. When you guys into any
the sun is hitting.
cars.
Well, Uber just hit this car now. So,
But did you damage this car bad?
No.
It wasn't bad.
yeah, it wasn't bad. The way the thing came, because God have mercy. Like today is just
Deep, so it
so
wasn't
much
bad.
is going on today. Like I don't even understand. I don't understand. I feel like we're even low-key going crazy already.
Let's just go and
See this one.
deep. Yes.
I'm so hungry.
I mean, go again.
Oh my God.
You're too.
Oh God, you like to be
You
close.
like to be. You like to be close.
You're very risky, sir. You're very risky.
Once a babu to anymore, you say, ah.
Is it inside the These days.
The bank.
I don't do that to close face boots.
Sorry. You know you have been laughing since. Let's continue laughing. Like I just press button down.
Oh my gosh. Ugh.
I love this car.
This one here.
Yeah.
God will do it for you. God will do it. How much?
I don't be saying the same.
I swear. It's like we're thinking. No, now you need to know, so we can talk about like working towards it.
3.54.
Hold up, Jesus. You guys, are finally home. Well, Tammy's house.
Yeah, it's home to you too.
Well, true. So she's going to change because we have decided that we're going to go and have lunch. So she's going to change, and then when she's done, we're going to go to mine. Look at this rascal. She literally is an animal. When she's done changing, I'll go home. I'll change as well and adjust my makeup because it's all over the place right now. I've been under the sun for too long.
How much is it, please?
literally tired of this human. Mr. Waldo, bye bye. Thank you for the trip.
Who did?
This is our new bestie.
Our best friend.
Look at this. Dumb bitches. Let's go, Joe. Oh, see this girl running to the front seat. Hi guys, so we have changed and everybody looks different now. We are coming to have some food. We're very, very hungry, and yeah, that's where we're at now. So I'll show you guys as we're going in. I hope they allow me to record this video because some Nigerian places are very sensitive towards recording videos in their place, especially during this COVID period. I don't know what's going to happen, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, I ordered what's this thing called? Some pineapple rum thing, ginger rum or something like that. It's looks really nice. And what did you order? I ordered something that looks like Chapman.
Something that has bright
Virgin something. This one is drinking water for a desert soul. So yeah, that's the vibe. I drink looks really cute though. Okay, I realized I didn't formally introduce it to all my friends. Well, there's just two of them. I'm saying like we're like 6 or something. But yeah, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Timmy. My friends call me Maxwell. No, nobody calls me Maxwell.
My name is Ready Luha. She cleans up nice, don't she? I don't do badly, do I? Like, people are just...
I didn't say my name.
They know.
Do you guys know my name? Ada. Oh, you do? Alright, okay, cool. Peace out.
You cute.
That's so camera friendly.
She moved here for the salt of all somebody's over here fronting. Wanting like a stunning. Put on your hair too, flawlessly. Okay, so you're looking for nice quality hair.
Yeah.
Flawlessly on Instagram.
Yes,
Yep, she got you all day, every day. You guys know.
I hate to see okay, they complain.
I'm weak. Cheers to Nigerian independence day. I don't care about it. I shouldn't say that.
It's still my country. I shouldn't say that. It's still my country.
Okay. Cheers to Nigeria.
There you go.
Are you going to raise a glass to your country?
Stand my ground.
So tell me, refused to raise a glass to our country. Very bad. But I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry.
Such a stressful day. Food has to be
Zero.
good.
But she's a Yoruba girl. She's definitely going to marry a Yoruba man.
Oh, I was
Like
out
that.
there.
You guys, you know,
Also from where?
I mean, it's not bad.
No, it's not bad, but like,
It's a no-no.
she has never swung that way.
It's not. So, I'll go for subscribers in case you have one nice lover.
Please, we are serious. Don't think it's a joke because we're laughing.
Honestly, like, this girl, she's been single for years. Let your channel.
Look at this thing. The whole video gotta show. Yeah.
What ways? What ways? What ways? Basically the same thing.
The same thing, just cheese.
This drink is so shit, but I use my money to buy it, so I have to finish it. I don't know why I was trying to dress it when I ordered it. It's not the best thing. And they don't really have the best drinks menu, to be honest. Like, there was not a lot of options to pick from, and some of them were a lot, like, a lot pricey than usual cocktails in Lagos. So take it. It wasn't so bad. Tell me, say take it to your spot.
Thanks a lot.
Let's see if it will decline.
And of the son.
Okay, so guys, we're done with our food and we're about to leave. So overall, this place, the vibe was a little bit but
Not what we're expecting.
yeah, it wasn't what we're expecting, but the food wasn't bad at all. I enjoyed
good.
it.
Mine
It was
especially.
good. Yeah, she had the best.
Yeah.
And it was quite yum. And I'm so full. Like, if you guys see my tummy, I just did a video and I'm like,
I'm hungry.
this one, she has a curse on her head. That's with food. She loves food too much. Okay, so this is what happens when your plans totally change and you just find something else to do. Like, this is Lagos way. Nothing ever goes. Actually, this is the Nigeria way. Everything is just always looking like it's headed somewhere, and then the next thing, boom, everything changes and everything is just upside down. And that's exactly what today was. But I'm just glad I have food in my belly and I got to hang out with my girls. Yeah, so you know the vibes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and
Please, guys, please subscribe. Please, guys, please subscribe.
So silly.
Please.
you heard them. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them for me in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. Thank you for sticking to the end of this vlog that went completely left, but thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.